Time to get the garden ready. Lily, come here, please.
Okay, I'm coming.
Look at this beautiful flower. Today, we are going to be gardeners.
Yay!
A gardener? What does a gardener do?
Well, they take care of plants.
A gardener plants flowers and helps them grow.
Wow.
Just like this.
Oh, I see. Cool. I want to grow a giant flower. Like a tower.
This is a shovel. It is for digging.
Wow.
Now we can build a big sandcastle.
It is small and green. I like it.
I like it. And this is a watering can.
Wow. Can I hold it?
Yes, you can. It has tiny holes.
Like a shower. Wow.
You're right. We must wear gloves.
Gloves. Look at these. They're like big yellow mittens. I can still use them. Look. My hands look like yellow ducks.
They do.
They really do.
There. Now you are ready.
Yay! Hey! Don't forget me. I want to help.
Ben, you are strong. Can you carry the soil?
Yes, I can. It is heavy, but I can do it. It is cold and soft. And very dark brown.
Now, let's dig a hole. Watch me, Lily.
Wow, Tom, that's amazing. Yeah, Tom, go, go.
Now it is your turn. Dig a hole here.
Push and lift. I did it. I am making a big hole for a big plant. Wow, that's a super big hole.
Perfect.
They are just right. Wow, it's a sunflower. Look at it.
Oh.
It is so bright.
We can plant it right there.
Here are the seeds, Lily. Wow, thank you, Tom. They're perfect. Are these the flowers? They are so small.
Yes, they are. They are delicate, aren't they?
Oh, they're beautiful.
These are seeds. A tiny flower is sleeping inside.
Wow. How does it wake up? Wake up soon, little flower. Time for you to grow. And you too. Let's get these seeds planted. Go to sleep now. We will wake you up with water. Good night, seeds. See you soon.
Time to give these plants a drink. Just need to fill this up. There, all done. Now for the watering. Almost done, Lily.
Yay! Our seeds are all wet!
They'll grow into beautiful flowers now.
Drink, drink, seeds. Don't be thirsty. Look, Dad. This leaf is dry. Oh, you're right, buddy. It looks like we need to water it.
The sun is hot. All plants need water every day.
Oops. My shoes are drinking water too. Daddy, what is that? That is a ladybug. She protects our garden.
Wow.
Look! Does she eat our seeds?
Oh, no, Lily. I don't think she likes seeds at all. No, she is a garden helper. She eats bad bugs.
Ooh. Look at Mr. Worm. Hello, Mr. Helper.
Everyone helps in the garden. Even the tiny bugs.
Time for a break.
Look at that big purple one. Whoa, and the tiny blue ones here.
They look like little stars, don't they?
I am a good gardener, right, Daddy?
Yes, you are the best gardener, Lily.
Keep growing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.